So I tried making a longer video. It's like 12 minutes long of the whole neighborhood. But got deleted somehow, so there's down there. And I'm going to take you all the way to the front of the neighborhood from here. Bear with me here. You will hear lots of splashing. Alright. To our left, flooded streets. There's my neighbor Joe. Now here we go. This is crazy. Alright, starts off shallow and it gets deep. I don't want to drop my phone. It's nice and easy, but then when it starts getting a little deeper. I can't even see where anything is. There's a fire hydrant. Don't want to end up on the grass or anything. It looks like I'm going in a canal or something. There's a sidewalk underwater. That's a good little shallow. Towards the middle of the road and then deep again. This is crazy. Looks like I'm riding in a nifty truck. I don't want this guy splashing me. Hang on, hold on. There we go, I'm on the water-filled sidewalk. Looks like I just drove through a lake. There's another truck mudding through. Going around. Ah! So muddy. Taking another video. Alright. Here we go. This is where the havoc is. Lordy, lordy. Oh my gosh. I don't know where I'm going. Let's go to the front of the neighborhood. All the cars that couldn't get through. I'll turn around. I'll show you the flood once more. Oh gosh. Yeah, there's like trucks driving up onto the grass over hills. People are in their cars. They're like, what am I gonna do? Here comes a truck hauling through. Better get out of his way. Don't want to get run over. Show you how bad the lakes are flooded. See, the main road out in front is fine. But, luckily they close school tomorrow, so I can actually drive my car, you know, because there's no way Actually, roads are empty. But the lakes are topped off. But yeah, there's no way I could be able to leave. Like, if I had school tomorrow, there's no way I could get my car out. So now we're gonna head back to my house. I mean, and these streets are flooded like this on everywhere almost. It's crazy. I just gotta watch. I don't want to get swamped by some guy in a truck. Here comes someone. Give him some clearance. This guy knows what he's doing. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the only things that have been making through are like SUVs and trucks. This is quite funny if you ask me. Going in. I'm going in. Still recording, right? Alright, I'm not losing this video. So this little Mazda tried going through. And they were halfway successful so far. Going onto the sidewalk. See here, a guy drove over there. Now, where's gonna videotape place? Take a couple pictures.